Welcome, here I've got iPad mini 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on settings button to open them, and here from the left we have to slide a little bit down now to find the privacy. Now at the first position we have location services option, so let's pick it, and here we have to take care to turn them on to all of the device. So if you have this turn it off like that in this kind of view, you have to tap to the right corner button to turn them on. And now here we have the apps that can use the location, and now let's tap to the camera. Here we can decide to allow it or don't allow it, so we can pick never allow the camera app to location access. We can pick ask next time or when I share or while using the app. So let me stay on this now and let's go to the camera to take a picture to show you how it works. So for now let's see the photo by tapping on this button from the right. And to check its location we have to simply tap on I letter button here or just slide down. As you can see, we get access to the info with the map and the full address. We can also tap here to open the map and check it with the details. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.